All right, we got a basic one. It's actually something different I'm about to show you, but was gonna do how to install a 4-prong receptacle or dryer plug. Just got this put on onto a dryer. So it had a 3-prong on. So how the 3-prong works is it is not, it's just got these connected. It doesn't have this green wire that goes to the ground. So how you want to match it up, how you want to see, some of them are different, but you're going red to red, white to white, and black to black. And obviously you always want to be unplugged whenever you're working on these things. And then you'll have this white one here, but you take it, I guess this is usually a green screw. Mine looks a little green, but that's why you put that green wire there. All right, I'm a little worried about how this is like almost touching the metal. I probably gotta put that on top. I'm gonna put the green wire on top because that don't look right. It's almost touching that metal right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch that. I'm a dummy. So that's the ground. So I mean, it's already touching the metal. So I don't be thinking when I be not working on trucks. So yeah, that's pretty easy to hook up. But the thing that I'm having trouble with, and maybe I'm just a dummy, is this little thing right here. Well, I think I found a way. So I'm about to try it. You about to go with me on this mission. We're gonna try and put this on though. Okay, so you gotta get a vice grip on it. Hold that side down. But this is the side I'm working on. I got it set up in there. Actually, the biggest pain is actually the angle of this thing, because it's hard to get your screwdriver straight on it. So you might want to get like an angled, a stubby, or something like that. That'd be better off than this thing. This one's going in now. I don't want to do it too much. I'm even. The vice grip on this side. Sorry, my camera in is horrible. I ain't even on the side of the road. I do better. I don't know why I don't just use the camera to see, but okay, there we go. Yeah, that's what we want. Bring that down a little bit. Oh, come on now. Okay, I gotta have to clip that on there. This angle is just a pain. I can't get. Okay, I just loosened it a little bit. Just kind of turned it so I can get a better angle at it and just tighten it down. Sides stay even. Alright, showed pretty good. I might tighten down a couple more times, put the cover on, and yeah, you're good to go. Hopefully it don't take you as long as me. And it'll come back to you in a similar way. Say, spark a coal, make your own fire. Honest work is an honest price, so don't